Okay, Steve McCLAREN. Okay. Since you don't know the team, I'm going to build it for you. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. So we're talk about Jamaica's game tomorrow versus Panama. So before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you know. Referee blow the whistle. Let's go. Alright, listen. Since Steve McCLAREN is not aware of what the team should be like, our old team should be playing, we will build the team for Steve McCLAREN and make sure so this is the starting 11 for tomorrow's game, yeah? 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 Alright, cool. Number one, the keeper, Andre Blake. Nobody else there, so we have to live with him. Fine. Two centre backs. The very two centre backs that should start this game and will finish this game. Yeah? Richard King, Ethan Pinnock. Argument done. No questions asked. No answer given. That's it. Lambik is up on the right. Amari Bale on the left. Argument done. That's it for your midfield. Now, hear me out. Central defensive midfield. This dude them call LATI-BUDDY-HAIR. LATI-BUDDY-HAIR need to come off of the field completely. Don't play him. Don't even think. Don't put on your boots. Don't even go to the stadium. LATI-BUDDY-HAIR not for the on the field none at all. First game in play, right back, shit. Next game, left central midfield, shit is not presenting himself for the ball. The ball is there. Get it, move it. You stand up behind the attacker, waving at the hair like a blower, like you play. You know you dance. And I say, Roddy boy, you ain't call it again. Signal playing, signal play. That's the body here though. That's the body here signal playing the whole game. Move or collect the ball. He doesn't do that. So Anderson needs to come on the team. Anderson in the midfield, you're set. Because Anderson presents himself for the ball. And all that works, if Anderson presents himself for the ball and someone is on him, that means there's enough space behind him for the other attacker, for other Jamaica player to come and get the ball. So he can move to the left, move to the right, he gets space. You can't just stay in the midfield and expect that things that happen for you. So the movement in the midfield is what creates spaces. Now think about it this way. If Anderson come and try to get the ball from the defense line and you have someone marking him, I leave space in behind where the other midfielder can come on and try to get behind, try to get to left or right to him so he can play the pass. And if them right now is being marked, the attacker, which is the forward line, can come back and try to collect. Now, in that space, it creates space behind him because if the attacker come back and try to mark if the defender come back and mark the attacker, there's space behind him, which Damari Gray, Leon Bailey can run on to. Yeah? Create space. Fam, and a common sense. Football is simple. Football is absolutely simple, fam. Absolutely simple. Right midfield, Damari Gray. Argument done. No question asked. Do you think the fast car what call himself? What he call himself? What name? You forgot name? Ha! C-Fast. Yes. The fast guy named C-Fast, see up on the bench. 70 minutes, then he can come on, man him tired, no he can use the speed and run on the people him. But you're not supposed to start C-Fast. Do not start C-Fast. Do not start C-Fast. Do not start C-Fast.
Steve McCLAREN, do not start C-Fast.
Yeah? Okay. Left midfield, Liam Bailey. As much as I hate to admit it, Liam Bailey looked good this last game. No, I'm not a fan of Liam Bailey because he treat Jamaica like shit the entire time I play for Jamaica. But it's a different conversation for another day. Liam Bailey looked good this last game. Continue like that, fam. Get some more goal. Do something for your blood clot self. Yeah? Do something for yourself. Now, number 10 and the number 8 positions. Right? Now, do you score the last goal? I mean, how can you again? John Russell. John Russell is more of a striker than a number 10. I don't see him being similar to LATI-BUDDY-HAIR. He's not coming and demanding the ball and moving the ball left and right. He's just up there being a menace to the attacker, which is good. He scored, that's fine. But we need more from John Russell. But 1 or 2 goals next game, I'm not complain either. So do you think we'll give him a little more? Now, in the number 8 position, I think Atkinson could stay in the midfield. Yeah, I think Atkinson can stay in the midfield. He can take another blind. Just one though. Just one. Because me head up me out for everybody today. But Atkinson can stay in the midfield. Yeah? Striker. Striker. Save Warner Brown. Keep Warner Brown. Tentatively keep Warner Brown. No, he's not a bad player, but he's doing too much. And when you do too much, you're going to do too much. Right? When it comes to being a striker, if the team is not pressing with you, you're gonna lose and you're gonna get tired really, really quick. And with Panama playing the way they're playing, all they're going to do is knock it around you. And if the team is not pressing with you together, you're gonna look at him quick, him run fast, But really, you get tired every time you do him something there. So if them are pressed, if you are pressed, them are pressed too. We know Mikel Antonio is not fully fit right now, so we not worry about him starting. And Kaim Dixon really play up on the left hand side, so we not really worry about him either. But what me really want from you, I need you to press together with the team. I don't want the man them up that bounce ball and you run from player to player. You get tired quick and then the ball come to you. But if you kick it and kick it hard, you're tired. Trust me, know because I play football too. Yeah? And that, my friends, is the team that Steve McCLAREN should be picking for tomorrow's game. Will we win? No. You hope we win? Yeah. But hope is hope. Best of others. Manaz.